Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and upload. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and get a clickable link on your Instagram Reels. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and open up is your Instagram application right here, and once inside you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And of course, right beside your profile icon, you could go ahead and see the edit profile, so just go ahead and click on that, and after that, just go ahead and click on the add link right here, just below your bio. So right here, you could go ahead and add your external link. You also have your Facebook profile right here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the first one, and I'll just go ahead and add my link right here, which is google.com. This is only an example, and this is my title right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on the check icon, and once that's done, you can go ahead and see the link that is clickable inside your profile. Now inside my Instagram Reels right here, I just have this picture of my dog, so I'll just go ahead and click on add sticker, and once you're here, just go ahead and type link in bio. Go ahead and choose your preferred sticker right here. I'll just go ahead and choose this one. And now I have my link in bio, and this is my Reels right here. The only thing that they have to do now is to browse through my profile, and they have to go ahead and click my link. So guys, that is the easiest way on how you could go ahead and get a clickable link inside your Instagram Reels. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.